This is a smart weighing scale. It's for everyone and also for pets and for food and for everything else that has mass and weight. Is this accurate? Join me as I examine this relatively old device from Xiaomi. Subscribe to this channel for more Xiaomi products reviews. The Mi Smart Scale has been in the market for over 5 years now. It has received positive reviews and appreciation from users. Xiaomi has never disappointed me with aesthetics of their products. It makes Xiaomi products easy to be integrated into any homes. This is elegantly simple and beautiful. The surface area is made of warm white tempered glass with multi-layered mesh printing that hides the LED screen here. Xiaomi says the casing of the scale is carefully crafted through a 20-step process to achieve durability while beautifully stunning. This has rounded corners to reduce possibility of damage from bumps. The case materials are reinforced glass while the rest are made of engineering plastic. Officially, it is named Mi Smart Scale 2. Mi is shortcut for Xiaomi, indicating it is for global distribution. If you want to know more about the right Xiaomi product appropriate for your region, check my previous video. The link is above and in the description. This version followed the first Xiaomi Smart Scale. There's also a Xiaomi Body Composition Scale version which has elaborated functionalities as far as health is concerned. The scale is a square in shape and measures 280 mm by 280 mm and it's very thin at 22 mm. The bottom has its rubber footings that support the entire weight including its load. But this only weighs about 1.2 kilograms. This device is powered by 3 AAA batteries that are expected to last for a month or years or year under normal condition. The device unit of measurement is in kilograms, pound, and the Chinese gene. It can measure from 100 grams to 200 or rather 150 kilograms with 50-gram minimum scale increment. This can operate under extreme temperatures from 0 degree to 40 degrees Celsius. Both Android and iOS phones can be used to control the device via the Mi Fit app. It can support Bluetooth 4.0 and above, but the device uses Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE 5.0 to connect to the app for faster transmission of data. So we'll put the battery. Let's check. Okay, so something is running up in the display. I think you can see it. It's running and it already displays 0.00. Okay, so we'll touch. Let's see. No. Okay. Okay. You have to press to apply force to wake up the display. Okay. So after a few seconds, the display will turn off. The scale 2 can be controlled via the Mi Fit app, now known as Zip Life app from Huami, a company under the Xiaomi ecosystem. So we'll try to scan this QR code here for the app. Okay, so it's using Zip Life. So we'll try to install this one. Okay, let's open. I'll sign in using my Mi account. Okay. Sign in. Depends. I agree. Gender, male. Okay. It's important to set your age, and you have to be honest so that you can get the real assessment of your weight. This time you cannot deny or hide your age. Device, scale, agree. Okay, got it. Allow. So it's already pairing. Okay, pair already. Xiaomi claims the scale can accurately tell how the body changes every day using its high-precision sensors. The Mi Smart Scale 2 uses a high-precision manganese steel sensor which can accurately sense subtle changes down to 50 grams, according to Xiaomi. This means every meal we eat and every glass of water we drink can be easily quantified on the scale and displayed in kilograms or pounds.
Wow.
If true, that helps us manage information about our weight. So here's my weight just after waking up. And here's my weight after taking a mug of coffee and after going to the toilet. So there's an increase of about zero point 0.4 kilos or 400 grams. And my weight after having breakfast, that's I think 800 grams more. The changes in your body are plotted on the app, which gives you idea of your transformation. Through the app, you can make fitness plans and dietary adjustments based on BMI or body mass index. Your weight data will never get lost because it will be automatically uploaded to the cloud each time via the app and stored without limits. According to Xiaomi, the scale is equipped with an ideal weight measurement function which intelligently calculates our weight based on height, age, BMU, and other data. This is my latest stats. So on the app, from top to bottom, you can see there in big figure, 73.70 kilograms. That's my latest weight as of this morning. And my body mass index is 27. And the app declared me as overweight based on my height and my age. But that weight has been my numbers since year 2000. So for over 23 years, I really not exceeding 75 kilos. Okay. Then below is the graph. If you can see the graph there, it's there's not much changes, just a very little change. Then you can see my photo below indicating that that's me. I also added my son, so that's his weight, 71.30, and this is mine, 73.70. Okay, and below the panels shows the recent weight changes, and mine is I have a progress of 1.95 kilograms as of this morning. You can see the arrow sign going up. So yesterday, I had only gained 0.1 kilograms, but today I gained 1.95, almost 2 kilograms. That's much. Then the third panel shows a comparison with similar users of my age and height, and the app declared me as 18%, or I'm lighter than 18% of people of my age and height that are using this app. Okay, so you can see here the graph where I stand. I'm almost in the middle. Then the bottom panel suggests the ideal weight. I should have been 59.5 kilograms based on my weight and age. You can share the weighing scale up to 16 members of your household, and the Mi Smart Scale 2 can automatically identify members of the family based on body data. So I'm standing now on the scale, and right there and there, the measurement was recorded on the app. Okay, and I choose my name. However, based on my observation, my weight is not automatically identified by the app, as it has been asking to confirm the identity of the user, which I confirm that it's me. It is advisable to carry infants when using the Smart Scale too. When your baby or pet is done through the app, so you enter weight, then below you can read there weigh infant. Then there's a reminder, weigh in without the baby first. Okay, so I'm going to weigh in. My weight is 73.35. Okay, hold your baby and step on the scale. Come in. Okay. It's 83.55, 83.60. Okay. The baby's weight is 10 kilos. Oh, my puppy is 10 kilos. Okay, I'm going to enter the name of the baby. That's not the baby, that's my pet. Okay, I'm done. The profile for my pet is already encoded here or added here. So there are already 3 profiles. Mine, this is for my pet, Vilka. This is for my son. And this is me. Okay, I'm the highest. The Mi Smart Scale 2 can also weigh small objects as little as 100 grams, provided you activate first the scale. 0.4 grams only, my umbrella. Okay, I bought a half kilo dog food, and the weight is exact 0.5. Xiaomi Global says the Mi Scale 2 is capable of measuring balance ability by using the app. However, the latest version of the Zip Life app has no provision for balance test. It's only available for body composition scale. Also, the app is not capable of calculating body score, as this feature is also available only on the body composition scale. The same thing with the guest mode. It's not present on the app for Mi Scale 2. The guest may be added as another user or just discard its weight measurement. Anyway, the Mi Scale 2 is an amazing device that is good for your health and for other purposes. I bought my unit at about half the price during a sale on Lazada. If you are looking for more reviews of Xiaomi products, visit this playlist on this channel. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Daghang salamat. Ako si Jun Tariman. High Tech Tabay.